My name is Lindy Wetabete. I'm the principal of Ekwandeni Primary School in Mpumalanga Circuit, under Pinetown District in the Mhlatuzana CMC. I'm at Riverside Hotel at the branch meeting for strengthening of curriculum. Over the past 2 days, I've learned a lot in terms of curriculum planning, curriculum management, and all the aspects that relate to my work as a principal. And I come out of this workshop a stronger leader, a better leader, and hopefully I'm going to lead my school to greater heights. What I enjoyed most was the commissions where we got to discuss with other colleagues, especially from the district. In my commission, we were doing a curriculum monitoring strengthening. So I learned a lot as a principal on how to strengthen curriculum implementation at my school. So hopefully I'm going to be doing much better than I was doing before. So this has been a great opportunity. Thank you to the department, DOE. Thanks.